we understood what are technical charts. So now let's kind of jump on to the next topic about time frames. In which time frame will you trade and how do you analyze? What time frames do you use to analyze? Right? That's very, very important. Now, what are these time frame really mean? What does time frame really mean? So we all want to kind of understand time frame. So what does time frame really mean? Time frame simply means this. If you have to trade something and if you have to look at the price, you typically look at the price over a certain period of time. For example, today, when the market opened from the start till the end, how did the price behave? The entire day from the start to end. That is one time frame, the entire day. Now, you can also look at how does the price behave over 1 week, from the start of the week till the end of the week. In between there are like 5 days in a week, 5 trading days as a case maybe, right? Typically. So what does the price do for the entire week, from the starting of the week to the ending of the week? The starting is a Monday at 9:15 for NSE and closing at Friday at 3:30 p.m. So for the entire week, how did the price behave? So you can look at even that. Now you can also look at how does the price behave for the entire month, entire year. Now this is the macro level. Year is the most highest level. Coming down is monthly. Further coming down is weekly, then daily. So for example, we start with say monthly time frame, right? Monthly, then come down to weekly, then you can further come down to daily. Now we did monthly, weekly, daily, and then beyond monthly, you can even look at yearly. How has it done year on year over the last 10 years, 15 years, 20 years? Then how has it done over the last 20 months, so on and so forth. Now daily. Now you can go further deeper than daily. From daily you can look at every 4 hours how is it doing. Then further down below you can look at every 2 hours. Then if you want, you can further look at how it has been doing every 1 hour. 1 hour. Then you can go by minutes, say 30 minutes. Then further down go to 15 minutes. Then further go down to 5 minutes. You can even go down to 1 minute, 3 minutes, 2 minutes, 1 minute. Seconds. Every second, what was the opening price? What was the high price, low price, closing price? So for every of these time frame, you can choose which is convenient for you to trade. So now, basis what is your objective? Basis that we will accordingly choose the time frames. So now once you understand this, you can trade. You can decide your trading entry, exit and management of those trades in any of the trade time frames, which means you can use daily time frames and trade. You can use hourly time frames and trade. You can use 15 minutes time frame and trade. You can even use weekly and monthly and trade. You can use a combination of those and trade, or just stick to one of the time frames and kind of trade as well. So it is your choice, but you have to understand how the price behaves as you go higher in time frame and as you come lower in time frame. Because the lower the time frame you go, you will see the price movement in a volatile way. The volatility increases when the time frame is low. The volatility decreases as the time frame goes up. So for example, let us kind of see few charts. How does it really kind of look, right? So now I've just kind of opened this Nifty chart, and by default it is in daily time frame. See now, each candle here, each candle represents 1 day, and the price is in the box right side here, left side corner box, the 4 prices. It is the opening price of the day, highest price of the day, lowest price of the day and closing price of the day. That is what each candle is kind of representing here. Now I can click on weekly. Now I get it for every single week. If you see the time frame, date, so this candle is on 13th of November. The next candle is 20th of November. So 7 days have passed, 1 week. So, but when I came here in daily, it is every day. Say 23rd, 24th, so on and so forth. Now I can see weekly. Similarly, I can even see monthly, every month. See here, this is March of 2020, April, May, June, July, August, September, October. So this one is monthly candle. This is the opening. Each candle represents an entire month's price movement. Opening price, low price, high price, closing price of a particular month. So this is how the time frame works. So now we can even go to the very low time frame as well. So now if I come here and just click on this here, you see from 1 minute, 2 minutes, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, right? 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 15 minutes, 30 minutes, 1 hour, 2 hour, 3 hour, 1 day, 1 week, 1 month. So now, so for example, once again, let me kind of open this Nifty 50 index, and then now it is 1 day. By default, I can go to 1 minute. If I click 1 minute, see now this is kind of depicting 1 minute candle. So it has got in 1 day, how much ever minutes are there, everything is getting represented. And if you see the time frame here, it will kind of list you minute by minute by minute by minute. Then I have, for example, 5 minutes. The same thing, every 5 minutes the candle changes. It's kind of listing there. Then I have 30 minutes. Now I can kind of look at the 30 minutes candle. So each candle represents the 30 minutes window. Starting from 9:15, every 30 minutes is one candle. And then I have 1 hour. I can look at 1 hour, right? And then similarly 1 week if I want to, and 1 month. So as the case maybe, you can decide what time frame you want to kind of look at it. So in our ShareCon, so they have even more slightly advanced here. So apart from giving you 0 minute, 1, 2, 3, all of things, they also give you custom. If you want to see how does it behave at say 36 minutes, you can say 36 and click OK. And it will kind of pull up a chart. For some reason it's kind of not pulling up right now, so let me kind of say it kind of came up. So see, this is a chart which is 36 minutes chart. Every 36 minutes a candle is formed, right? Now if I want, I can kind of further change this and make it say 75 minutes. It's my choice, right? I can do 75 minutes and say okay, and it will give me, see, 75-minute chart. So every chart, every candle is a 75-minute time frame. So it kind of equally divides every day, as the case may be. So now those are the ways you can look at it. So we will be using various time frame for various kinds of trade. Intraday, different time frame. Scalping, different time frame. Swing, maybe different time frame. Positional, different time frame. Trend following, again different time frame. So each of the types of trades, we will use different time frames. So this is what is called as time frame. To analyze, you will have to analyze this at various time frame. You have to analyze what is the market doing on a weekly time frame, what is the market doing on a daily time frame, what is the market doing on a monthly time frame. So we'll come from monthly, weekly, daily, and then go further down. We always do macro to micro. It's very kind of easy, top down. Kind of do. So when you will analyze it using various time frame, but trading you will fix to one particular time frame. You will stick to that for a particular style of trading. So when I give you the trading system, I will also be mentioning the time frame. You have to trade in that particular time frame. So this is what is all about, the time frame. Hope you kind of got some information, insights about time frame. So if you are already getting curious, I'm sure, so open up your trading softwares and then kind of try to do these manipulations like I'm showing on the screen, and see what are the behavior, how is the candle changing. Some are big candles, some are small candle. In a 1 minute, how the candles are. In a 15 minutes, how the candles are. In a monthly, how the candles are. Weekly, how the candles are. Try doing all of that and keep enjoying, and I'll see you in my next video. Until then, if you're kind of getting and enjoying this, type in the comment enjoying charts. Type in the comment enjoying charts. I'll see you in my next video.